Hello and welcome to Optimarkets.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate the ease and effectiveness of trading 60-second binaries for quick profits in fast-moving markets. It's probably one of the easiest tools to use where you can make money trading binary options. Now, in this view, I'm on the 60-second tab in your user dashboard, and I'm looking at a multiple asset class view. I'm going to elect to trade a few indexes, and I'm going to trade crude, and I'm going to trade gold, the DAX, and we'll go with the FTSE. Okay, so we have some crude movement, and the objective is to pick a point in time 60 seconds out from now that we're going to effectively be in the money. So I'm just going to glance at these charts. One thing that stands out to me is the gold price action right now. We just sold off from 1682 to 1681.85. We're ticking around, and I'm gonna look to play a bounce here, and I'm gonna set these all at $10 just to demonstrate to you the ease. I'm gonna look for reversals. Actually, I'm gonna buy the above right here on the crude. You could see my trade was entered. I'm gonna buy the above on gold. I think I missed that one. The above on gold. Let's see. No, gold's not giving it to me. We're going to go with the below on the FTSE. You can see, okay, so I have two trades on right now. And the gold, maybe I'll take an entry on it, maybe I won't. But right now we're in the FTSE. I have 48 seconds left. In crude, I have 19 seconds left. You can see crude is pretty close. My even mark is very close from here. I'm in the money on crude. 5 seconds left. I just made on the crude trade, and the FTSE. I'm short the FTSE. Excuse me, I'm long the FTSE, and no, short the FTSE, and I need a down tick here. There you go. There you go. Now let's see my expired trades. You can see I just made on both trades. I made my profit target. That is how quick you can trade 60-second binaries on key reversal points in fast-moving markets. Now, I'd like to demonstrate some more strategies in other video demonstrations, but I want to see here if another trade presents itself. So we're going to just wait for another setup to happen in these 60-second binaries and see if we can't replicate the same entry again. Okay, well, as I'm surfing for opportunity, I'm going to just give you a little bit of overview on why I took those trades. The underlying assets, the FTSE was hitting key resistance levels that I thought represented a price for reversal. But on these charts, you can see the tick action movement, and when we're in a trend and all of a sudden you're starting to reverse, it's a safe bet that you're gearing up for a downtick or a pause in the upward movement. And those inflection points are perfect timed entries to take a contra trade. Additionally, in an upward movement, if you have a radical downtick in a very strong uptrending market, that's a perfect inflection point to take a continuation long. Very much the way I did in these trades, where you identified price and time and then picked a direction, both assets, you saw instantaneous execution and result in profits on both trades. So we're going to continue to surf here for some movement. I may look to re-enter on a DAX trade and a contra move on the DAX trade and a contra move on the FTSE. But crude is where the action seems to be. So let's just sit tight and see if we can get some type of quick, snappy move where we can either play for the continuation side or the contra side, depending upon what the charts tell us. Okay, I've been searching for an asset to take advantage of a spike in the 60-second options for quite some time, and crude is in a fairly tight range, but I'm going to wait and see if we can get a downtick right here, and I'm just going to enter quickly to the above side, but I just want to get one spike. There you go. I took my trade, and I'm in the crude right now, live. In crude, and it expires. Where is it? Right here. It expires in 48 seconds. My strike is 93.88, and you can see 93.89.50. I entered right in this flat point right here. So that's all I wanted to do, because crude was in a range. Once we dipped down a little bit and we flattened, I immediately entered. Now that downtick doesn't concern me, because it was just probably bid off or moving. I just need another 21 seconds and crude to get one positive print here. There's my print. Let's hopefully it's not met with a selling print. I got 10 seconds left, and I think I have this one in the bag. 3, 2, 1. And you can see I just posted a winner right there in front of you. These 60-second binaries are insane to trade. If you have the slightest edge on price movement, if you can read a tape and understand support and resistance levels and understand a down print as opposed to an up print, these 60-second binaries can absolutely work in your favor, where you could just take money out of the market.